And new information tonight from 2 News investigates about a crash in Greene County involving state troopers. 2 brothers who sued the Ohio State Highway Patrol have just settled their case. Natalie Tyndall of 2 News investigates took a closer look at the terms of that settlement.
Well, the state is paying Daniel and John Hardin at least $235,000 after the car they were in last April was hit by a trooper going above the speed limit with no lights on.
This video says it all. The Hardin brothers were turning off US 35 when they were hit by Trooper Paul Coates' cruiser last April. They talked with us then, blaming the trooper for going too fast and not having his overhead lights on. Both John and Daniel were hurt in the accident, which is why they filed a lawsuit against OSP. It was settled through mediation, and the Court of Claims approved the settlement amount of $235,000 Tuesday. I spoke with a lieutenant at the Ohio State Highway Patrol who says Trooper Coates received a verbal reprimand after the accident because he was at fault. But as far as not having his lights on and speeding, the lieutenant says that's not against their policy because that trooper was in the process of catching up with 2 other cars on the road that were speeding. In a statement to 2 News, he said in part, quote, "It is important to remember that troopers may be completely within the guidelines, and within a split second, the variables change. In this case, there were 2 vehicles traveling at a high rate of speed, posing a danger to the public. The trooper did not anticipate a vehicle turning across his path. Safety is always our first consideration when performing our duty."
Now, I spoke with the Hardin brothers' attorney, Timothy Chappers, today. He tells me they're glad that they reached a resolution, and they appreciate the state recognizing the issues in the case. Natalie Tyndall, 2 News, investigates.